Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This one is from Whiff Envy. And that is a bunch of delicious waxes. So let's see what's in here. Oh, it smells so, it actually smells like cake or something in here. All right, here's a card. And the card reads, "Thank you for your order. Enjoy." Thank you for the waxes. I shall enjoy. The reason that I bought from Whiff Envy again is because the shapes are just so cute. So even if I feel like I may not enjoy a scent, I don't care because I just want the shape. So let's see what's in here, what cute shapes we have for Inky Mac to melt. Oh, she packaged them super well. So I'm going to have to come back to you with everything unpackaged. So we are back. First of all, the shapes are so cute. So what's going on her site is she has a deal. You can buy either 10 or 20. I'm sorry, is it 5 or 10? Okay, 5 or 10, that's what it is. 5 or 10 different waxes for 10 or 20 bucks. So I got the $20 deal. This one here is called Spring Cleaning. And I will say that when I melt these waxes, they're I don't know if she uses a different kind of wax, if it's soy or whatever, but it just looks different than other wax melts. And it looks a little like creamy versus that clear stuff. And you can see any of the demos that I've done on my page from Whiff Envy to see what I'm talking about. But this one is super cute. Ooh, this one actually smells nice. It smells nice, and that's it. Spring cleaning, so it sort of has a little kind of open it up. Oh, that smells. It's like a, I was gonna say detergent scent, but it's not. That's not what it is. It just, this one smells like spring. Period. Next we have Cauldron Bubble, and this is bigger than I thought it was going to be. I don't even know what the scent is or the pour date, so I like to see the pour date on my labels, just because I know if it was just poured last week that I need to give it some time, or if I've held on to it for a long time, then I'll be like, oh, this thing has been sitting around for a year, maybe I should go ahead. But there are no pour dates on these. This one's Cauldron Bubble, and I think this one's been around for a while. I don't know if she just freshly poured it, but I know that as far as shapes are concerned, it's been around for a while. I want to see what it smells like. It smells like fall. It smells like you know, the fall scents. It smells like pumpkin-y or something. I don't know. Love Struck. Beautiful. All of these are actually larger than I thought they were going to be. I'm pleasantly surprised. That means I will have to chop these before I melt them. That smells sweet. I like that. Not sweet as in candy, just sweet. Melon Medley. I've got to take this one out and show you guys. Look how cute it is. This girl got more boobs than me. She is so cute, but she is kind of my color. She's that Puerto Rican girl color right there. So cute, and it does smell like melon. You see what I mean about the wax? It just looks different than other waxes, and I think it's just a different type of, I don't know, wax material that she may use. So I don't know. It smells delish. Definitely going to use this one whole. I don't want to chop. I don't want to just film one boob. We have Raspberry Sweet Cheeks. I smell the raspberry. We have Honolulu Baby. Honolulu smells very florally, and not necessarily my cup of tea, but I knew that when I bought it. I just bought it for the shape. And the scent does smell like what I thought it would smell like. It's just a bit too florally for me, but everyone has their own favorites, and I knew that when I purchased this that it probably would not be one of my favorites. I do like florals, it just depends what kind of florals it is. So like maybe gardenia I like, or honeysuckle. She has a honeysuckle one that I really love. Big Bad Wolf. I'm not sure what that is. Let me open it up. Now I remember. This is a masculine scent and it smells amazing. When I say amazing, I mean amazing. This is my favorite one of the package as far as scent goes. Oh my gosh, it smells so masculine. I do like me a new, nice masculine scent. Next one is, it's the same kind of shape. It's 1,000 Wishes. I cannot make out the scent profile in this, but I ain't mad at it. I actually do like this scent. I'm not really sure what it is. And then we have Hello Sunshine. How cute are these? These smell like a memory. I can't put my finger on it, but some scents, just like music, it takes you back to a specific time and place or a person. And that's why I always say when I smell some things that take me back, it smells like a memory. You may not even remember what memory it is, but it takes you back. And that's what this smells like to me. It takes me back. And then finally, we have these beautiful little island vibes. Look at that. Let me see what they smell like. These smell like coconutty. So, it's like a sweet coconut though. Very cute. These are going to make some nice melt videos. Alright, so we have the island vibes. Hello Sunshine, 1,000 Wishes, Honolulu Baby, Raspberry Sweet Cheeks. I just thought, like, come on. All of these shapes are just so nice for melting videos. We had the Sexy Girl. What was this one called again? Melon Medley. Because they're melons. And then we have the masculine Big Bad Wolf. We have the Spring Cleaning, Cauldron Bubble, and Love Struck. And we have a sample of Nag Champa. And it smells Nag Champa. It smells very Nag Champa-y. I don't even know how to say it. I don't even know how to describe it, but you know, whatever that smells like, that's what it smells like. Alright, so that's it, guys. Back to my favorite. That's it from Whiff MV, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.